I'm trying to rework these pins here, and I want to use the gull for that. So I'm going to do two things at the same time. First of all, check to see how easy it is to change the tip from a bevel to the gull, and then try to see how well the gull works to solder these pins. Changing the tips shouldn't be too hard. This one is not warm, but if it was warm, it wouldn't matter. You can remove the tip by plugging it out. You can put a hot tip here on the top of the station, then plug in the gull. Let's see, it has to be in the hand in a certain position, so that's what I'm going to check. This works fine, so let's plug it in now. Should get it to 350 degrees, but because I plugged it in, it's going down to the sleep mode, but doesn't matter. First, use a lot of flux, and I'll try to focus the camera on this point here. So these are the pins I try to resolder, to rework. Can't use enough flux. Now let's take the iron. You won't see that, it's off screen. Get some lead-free solder in there. There we are. Now let's drag the iron over the pins, and the result should be that all of them should be nicely soldered underpants. Well, this is the result. I'm filming this through a magnifying glass, and you'll see that there are no bridges between any of those pins, so my first gull attempt worked well.